EcoDiesel MPG, Pacifica Parts, Leadership Plant Tour. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The Ram truck brand is adding a new, more fuel-efficient model to its powerful half-ton truck lineup with the 2021 Ram 1500 Tradesman HFE EcoDiesel. HFE stands for High Fuel Efficiency, and it backs that up with an unsurpassed 33 mpg highway rating, in addition to 23 mpg city and 26 mpg combined. HFE EcoDiesel models start at an MSRP of $42,240, excluding $1,695 destination, and go on sale in the second quarter of 2021. Mopar announced more than 85 accessories for the new redesigned 2021 Chrysler Pacifica, America's most capable minivan with all-wheel drive and still the first and only plug-in hybrid minivan. Accessories include an upright bike carrier, rooftop cargo boxes, all-weather floor mats, a roadside safety kit, and even a pet kennel for safe transportation. For more information, please visit the Mopar e-store at store.mopar.com. And finally, Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares and Chairman John Elkann toured the Detroit Assembly Complex, MAC, and Jefferson plants to meet with employees and get a first-hand look at the facilities' operations. This marks their first North American visit since the Stellantis merger was completed last month, which is an important step in moving the new organization forward. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.